Hey guys, got the rotator tore apart this morning off the bell. This little motor here, a couple of them bolts broke and it started leaking oil real bad, so I took it to the shop last night, pulled it apart and put some new bolts in it. But I thought I'd just show what the inside of one of these rotators looks like. That's the top cover. And all them Allen bolts there go through the bottom of this up into that. You can see those are threaded. So this shaft here, this shaft slides out. Obviously that little collar piece come down, and there's like a, I guess that's brass, a bushing in there. I'm not going to take that apart, but there is a bearing. Let's see if I can slide this up here. There's a little bearing here. Well, you can see it under there, kind of with a plastic, I don't know what you call that, but anyways, there's like a roller bearing deal. And then that all obviously slides together, but I had to take it, slide it up, because my motor bolts, those two bolts, Allen bolts there, bolt into the top of the motor here. And I got two more to go there. So anyways, the motor slides in under here and up out this piece, and then that gear slides onto the motor, bolt it all down, and yeah, put it all together and grease it up good and be ready to go again. Okay, maybe you can see what I'm doing here. Trying to get these Allen bolts started and keep this gear out of the way at the same time. It's kind of fun. Maybe I'll try to start one of these easy ones. I think I got that one. Now, I'm going to hold the gear out of the way. I think we got it. Double checking with a ratchet. Oh, getting dirty. Tight. Now, take this gear right here and slide it down in there, and then I've got to get it all to line up here. I'll probably turn this shaft. All lined up. Sure, I got all the leaves and junk off of it. top cover on and bolt it up, and I'll clean some of this up here. Okay, I've got it put together. I'm gonna wait till I actually put it back on the machine to really tighten them down good. But those big ones, the big Allen bolts, are a 14. You can see that. Anyways, they're a 14. These are, and I cut a socket off to where I could fit up in there. It doesn't really work too good, so I don't know if it'll help anybody or not. And then this other one that actually holds the motor in there, those 4 small ones, it's an 8mm. So yeah, so I can get it stuck back in there. And in order to get that motor to come out of the bottom, I got it upside down. I had to take the fittings out, so I'm just putting them back in now. So yeah, it's a pretty simple job really. It's a little heavy. Now what I'm going to do is I'll pin it back up on the boom there, and then I'll get the machine and I'll set it right in here and slide that pin in there. So okay, we got it put together. I actually went and bought an Allen wrench because that socket, even though I cut it off, it wouldn't fit in there right. So I cut this Allen wrench off, and it fits right in there, that tight area there. But yeah, it wasn't too bad a job. I've had them apart before, but I put it in the bell here, and it was a lot easier to go ahead and tighten these up good. So that's what I did. But yeah, it's ready to go to the woods.